Have you ever wondered about the benefits of using credit cards for traveling? It's a question that stirs the curiosity of many, especially those bitten by the travel bug. In today's world, credit cards are not just a convenience, they're a tool, a passport to experiences unimagined. So, let's dive into this fascinating topic and compare the perks of plastic money with other payment methods. Stay tuned as we explore why a credit card could be your best travel companion. When traveling, different payment methods offer different advantages. So, how does a credit card stack up? Let's see. You could opt for cash, but there's always the risk of it getting lost or stolen. Plus, no rewards, right? Debit cards seem like a safer bet, but they have their own drawbacks. Lose it, and you could be in a fix, especially in a foreign land. And remember, no rewards here either. Traveler's checks? Well, they're secure, but not always accepted and can be a hassle to replace if lost. Clearly, credit cards offer significant advantages over other payment methods when traveling. But what exactly are these benefits? Credit cards can truly enhance your travel experience. Here's how. One of the biggest perks of using credit cards while traveling is the ability to earn rewards. Every swipe or tap can add up to points, miles, or cashback, which can be redeemed for future travel expenses, making your vacations more affordable. Furthermore, many credit cards offer travel insurance, providing coverage for unexpected incidents such as trip cancellations, lost luggage, or medical emergencies. This added layer of protection can give you peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your trip worry-free. Another benefit is the convenience of hassle-free foreign transactions. With a credit card in your wallet, you can shop around the world without worrying about currency exchange rates or carrying large amounts of cash. Moreover, credit cards provide enhanced security. In case of theft or loss, your liability is limited and you can quickly block your card to prevent fraudulent transactions. So next time you plan a trip, don't forget your credit card. Safe travels!